Alright, it's a snowstorm coming, so we need to go get Ripple milk. We're at the third store. Now, I forgot it yesterday. We're getting ready to go out in all the crowds to get the Ripple milk because, yes, it's that serious. So come with us.
It's that serious. Call us and see us have Ripple milk.
Ripple milk. Alright, let's see if that lady said you better have a sense of humor coming up in here. Yes? You have the green one. You got your milk. You need tape, crayons. Daddy said he wants black cherry. So that's that kid. Ooh, swishing the bread. Women, what? Code. Scan the barcode.
What I did at home?
Go ahead. Good job. We did it. Wegmans for the win. Yay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to mama.